How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make autosave checkpoints in platformer levels. So let's go ahead and say that you have a level like this one, which is really simple. And to finally add your checkpoints, just head over to this section right here. Go ahead and look for this diamond option. Just go ahead and place it wherever you want your checkpoint to be located at. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Click edit special, spawn IP number 1, player POS, and it's ideal to make sure that the touch trigger is selected. Now, if you want to make it completely invisible, just click the edit group, click extra, and make sure it's selected as hidden. In my case, I'm just going to enable it in normal mode. And now if you play this out, it will say that it's checkpoint. And then if we die, we will navigate back to the checkpoint location right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.